Welcome back to Classic Car Stories, and today we have something truly special. This Mark II Jaguar. This is a real British classic icon. It has style, it has power, and more than a few stories to tell. So let's meet the proud owner, Elliot, and he can tell us the story of this wonderful car. The Jaguar Mark II was launched in 1959 and quickly became the sports saloon of the 1960s. It was elegant yet fast, a favourite of racing drivers, businessmen and yes, even bank robbers. Police forces ran them, villains used them, and on TV, Inspector Morse made the Mark II famous all over again. So Elliot, what a car. So when did you get it?
I bought this car in 2010 and I absolutely love it. I fell in love with it the day I saw it.
So this car didn't spend all of its life in Great Britain though, did it?
No, it was originally owned by a doctor in Scotland and he emigrated to South Africa in 1963 and took the car with him. And when I went to actually see it, I just couldn't believe the condition it was in. The paintwork wasn't as good as it is now, but there was no rust anywhere. The boot had no rust, the boot floor, the floors in the front and the back, no rust. All in the engine bay was all clean. I just couldn't believe the condition it was in. Even the seals, which normally rot away really quickly, and people put filler in them. I went there with a magnet and put the magnet on lots of different parts and it just stuck there, so I knew it was in really good condition.
I guess it was the weather out there, wasn't it?
Yeah, the weather was, it's always been a dry climate.
Elliot snapped it up in 2010. The seller only let it go because he'd found one with a sunroof, and that turned out to be Elliot's lucky day. So where did the restoration start?
Well, the first part we did was to take the engine out. It was smoking very slightly, the engine, and I thought, well, I'm going to restore it, might as well get the engine out and strip it all down and do it properly. While the engine was out, we changed the gearbox for a G-Track 5-speed because the original gearbox was a Moss gearbox and there was no synchro on first, and every time you pulled up at the lights, went to put it in first gear, it would crunch, so that had to go. While the engine was out, all inside the engine bay was painted. We changed the brake calipers over to 4-pots, which are a lot safer. Changed the radiator to an aluminium radiator, which keeps it a lot cooler. Changed the dynamo over to an alternator. It looks exactly the same as the dynamo, but it's an alternator. The power steering pump is on the back of that. We put power steering on it, which it didn't have originally, which was like trying to drive a lorry without any power steering.
This Mark II blends classic character with modern usability. Wire wheels, white wall tyres, refreshed chrome and uprated brakes make it as practical as it is beautiful. So Elliot, tell us about the inside.
Right, well the inside, it was in very good condition, but I'm a bit of a perfectionist and I like things perfect. So all the wood was re-lacquered, kept all the original wood. The door cards were changed, the carpet was changed.
And the seats?
The seats were the original seats, and I kept them because a lot of people upgrade to new leather and I don't think it's in character with the car. I've kept the original seats. I'd say they're in good 90% good condition, and I treat them with leather feeds and everything, stop them cracking or anything. But they're nice.
And it ties in nice with the history of the car as well, doesn't it?
Exactly, keeps it original.
So one of the quirky things about the Jaguar Mark II is what's inside the boot. Let's have a look.
You have a complete toolkit.
That's fabulous. That's the original toolkit that Jaguar would have had inside. That's fantastic, isn't it?
Yeah. It's got little spanners, spark plug, feeler gauge. That is for the jack, grease gun, spark plug remover, pliers, and that is to bleed the brakes with.
So Elliot, on Classic Car Stories, we have a thing called the Clunk Test, and we see how well a car door shuts on a single swipe of the door, right?
Sounds
so
good.
See if we can do this and see what score we can give your Jaguar Mark II. So open it up, let's give it a go.
Okay.
Before we do it, what do you think it's going to score out of 10?
Hopefully 6 or 7, hopefully.
Let's give it a go. Oh, that's pretty good actually.
Yeah, it's
it closed nicely, A little bit of a rattle, but pretty good.
That's because the window's open.
We could give that a 6 or a 7.
Thank you very much.
Piece by piece, Elliot restored this car, often sourcing parts on eBay back when prices were a lot kinder than today. What he ended up with was not just a restored classic, but a piece of living motoring history. Now, Elliot, the thing is, you're not the only one who enjoys this car, are you?
No, I'm certainly not. I started doing weddings with this car about 2-3 years ago now.
The Jaguar Mk2 was always about making an entrance, and today, Elliot's car is still doing just that. But for brides and grooms on the biggest day of their lives.
It is just unbelievable, the pleasure it gives to the bride and groom.
So, if you're looking for a classic wedding car, then Elliot's Mk2 Jaguar could be the perfect one for you. All of Elliot's details are in the description below. So Elliot, it's fabulous being inside the car, but tell us, what is it actually about a Jaguar Mk2 that you love?
It's just a real piece of history. It's just so lovely to drive. It's easy, you can get 4 people in it, and the attention it gets of all the car shows. Everyone brings back memories of when they had one many years ago.
Yeah.
It's just lovely. It makes people smile.
Yeah, it does. My favourite classic cars are Jaguars, so it's been great coming out with you today and driving along in it. It feels a lovely drive, doesn't it?
It is. It's not as good as a modern car, but it's not far off it.
Well, enjoy it, Elliot, and thank you very much for showing us your car today.
No, it's been lovely. It's been a pleasure.
And if you've enjoyed this video, then stay tuned and watch this one, all about the XK140. It's a fabulous car. Don't forget to like, to share, and make sure you subscribe so you never miss an episode of Classic Car Stories, because every classic has a story to tell.